Welcome again. Happy 26th to you. My name is Tina Mutabazi. I'm taking you through this channel once again where we explore specialized professions and careers in science innovation with a purpose. Today, we are going to take you inside the world of pharmaceutical company and manufacturing using examples like Quality Chemicals Industries Limited right here in Uganda, a company that plays a critical role in improving health and saving lives across Africa. Quality Industry Limited is a major pharmaceutical manufacturer producing WHO-prequalified medicines for HIV/AIDS, malaria, and Hepatitis B. And this calls for us to understand and appreciate that they are serving Africa with quality, affordable drugs, and also has a separate but related entity called Quality Chemicals Limited, where they focus on animal and crop protection, health, and also they look at solutions in health and agriculture. You know what they say? They say that behind every tablet, capsule, and life-saving medicine is a team of highly trained professionals working together with precision, integrity, and commitment. As Christians, we also believe that science is not as separate from God. We also believe that science is a way of God's work being fulfilled in our lives for humanity, and is in His creation. He wants healing to work in us. The Bible reminds us in Colossians 1:16 that all things were created through Him and for Him. With that foundation, let us explore the specialized careers that make pharmaceutical innovations possible. Mechanical engineers are responsible for the design, operation, and maintenance of pharmaceutical manufacturing equipment, from tablet compression machines to sterile production lines. Their work ensures efficiency, safety, and consistency. In a pharmaceutical environment, precision is critical. Mechanical engineers help prevent breakdown that could compromise product quality or patient safety. Pharmacists. Pharmacists are the guardians of medicine quality, safety, and efficacy. In a company like QCIL, they oversee formulation, production processes, regulatory compliance, and quality assurance. Their decisions directly affect patient outcomes. Accuracy, ethics, and responsibility for none are not negotiable at all. Industrial chemists. Industrial chemists translate laboratory science into large-scale pharmaceutical production. They optimize chemical processes, improve efficiency, and ensure that raw materials are transformed into consistent, high-quality medicines. Their work bridges theory and real-world impact. From a faith perspective, industrial chemists reflect God's wisdom in transforming creation for the benefit of humanity, turning simple compounds into tools of healing. Biochemists focus on chemical processes within living systems. In pharmaceuticals, they help understand how drugs interact with human body at the molecular and cellular level. Their insights are crucial for developing effective and safe medicines. For Christians, biochemistry reveals the intricacy of God's design, Studying life at this level inspires humility and awe, pointing us back to the creator of life itself. Chemical chemist. Chemical chemist specializes in synthesizing and analyzing active pharmaceutical ingredients. They ensure purity, stability, and consistency in drug compounds. Their role demands discipline, attention to detail, and integrity. This profession reflects the biblical principle of excellence doing every task as unto the Lord, knowing that small errors can have big consequences. Biotechnology professionals apply biological systems and organisms to develop medicines, vaccines, and advanced therapies. In Africa, biotechnology is key to addressing regional health challenges and building self-reliance in pharmaceutical production. Microtechnology specialist. Microtechnology focuses on precision systems, sensors, and miniaturized technologies used in quality control, diagnostics, and advanced manufacturing. Their work ensures accuracy at microscopic level when even the smallest variation matters. This reflects God who cares about details, reminding us that faithfulness in small things leads to greater impact. Chemical engineer specialist. Chemical engineering is vital in pharmaceuticals for scaling up drug production, plants creating drug delivery systems like nanoparticles, ensuring quality, compliance, and driving innovation in areas like personalized medicine, making safe, effective, and affordable medicines. They bridge lab discoveries with mass production, focusing on process design, optimization, and sustainability. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is not just about science. It is about service, integrity, and purpose. Each of these specialized careers contributes to a shared mission in improving, healing, and preserving lives. As Christians, we believe that faith and science work together, not in opposition. God gives wisdom, creativity, and understanding, and He calls professionals to use their skills for the good of humanity. If you are a student, professional, or a parent exploring career path, remember this. Your calling in science can also be a calling to serve God through excellence and compassion. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe for more insights on specialized careers, innovations, and faith in action.